Morning, dear guys. I am B.S. Nadia, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. In my last YouTube video, I taught you how to write an invitation, its kinds, and what important points should be kept in mind while writing an invitation. And dear students, today I am going to teach you how to write a printed kind of invitation. In my last YouTube video, I taught you that invitations are of two types. Formal, first one is formal, and the second one is informal. And informal type of invitations can be further divided into two parts: formal printed and formal written. Printed, it means card format, and written, it means letter format. And I also made you understand that what important points should be kept in mind while writing a printed kind of invitation. So today we take an example to prove all those important points through an example. Yes. We take an example. Suppose you are a student of ABM Public School, Narnol, and your school is holding its annual function on 15th December 2020. As a principal, on behalf of the principal, write an invitation inviting all the important persons to attend the annual function of your school. Yes, dear guys. So first of all, you will mention the name of the host. The name of the host, I mean to say. And in such kind of invitations, in such kind of programs which are related to school, the principal, staff and the students play a role of the host. So first of all, you will write the principal, staff and students of ABM Public School, Narnol. And if this kind of invitation is regarding the marriage, so you will write Mr. and Mrs. A.K. Sharma request your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their daughter. But in such kind of invitation related to school, you will write the principal, staff and students of ABM Public School. This is the name of the host. I told you that in the beginning you will mention the name of the host, so the principal, staff and students of ABM Public School, Narnol. Then dear student, in my previous YouTube video I told you that you will adopt the standard expression. There are many standard expressions you can use. So here, request your benign presence on the auspicious occasion. You can write request your benign presence, or you can write cordially invites you on the auspicious occasion of the annual prize distribution function, or you can also write request the pleasure of your benign presence, or you can also write solicit of your gracious presence. Yes, there are so many expressions, you can have one of them. So here, request your benign presence on the auspicious occasion. It is the standard expression, and after that you will mention the occasion. Occasion is the annual function of the school. So dear students, you will write the annual function of the school, and the name of the school, the name of the function should be written in prominent letters, in capital letters, or in broad letters. You can have the font according to your choice. You are free here. You can adopt the font of your own choice. So yes, ABM Public School, Narnol, request your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of the annual function of this school. Don't forget to mention date, time and venue, which are the very important part of such kind of invitation. So dear student, mention time. It means at 10 anti-meridian, 10 a.m. on Monday, 15th December 2020. And then in such kind of invitation, there is a VIP, there is the chief guest, so don't forget to mention the name of that chief guest. Sri Kanwar Pal, Education Minister, Government of Haryana will be the chief guest and give away the prizes to the students. So, dear students, Sri Kanwar Pal Gujar, the Education Minister, Government of Haryana, will be the chief guest and give away the prizes to the students. If the invitation is regarding the marriage, in those kind of invitations, the programs are mentioned, just like the arrival of Bharat, or you can say departure of Bharat, or you can say welcome of Bharat, reception of Bharat. But the invitations regarding to school, you will, in such kind of functions, you will mention the name of the chief guest and Mr. Kanwar Pal Gujar, Education Minister of Haryana, who will play the role of the chief guest and give away the prizes to the winners. And in the last, you will write RSVP. It means respond if you please. It is a French phrase which means respond if you please in English. You will mention the name of the host, dear students, you will write the principal, ABM Public School, and you can also write the phone number of the principal here. And in case of marriage, you will write the name of the host, just like the name of the father of the daughter, father of the son, Mr. and yes, dear students, one thing to be noted here, that in the invitation regarding the marriage, you write Mrs. and Mr. It is very important point to be noted. Some of the students write Mr. and Mrs. R.K. Sharma. That's absolutely wrong. So you should write first Mrs. and Mr. Mrs. and Mr. then the name of the host. So dear students, this kind of invitation are called printed one, and they are very useful to you because on the auspicious occasion of the marriage, wedding anniversary, opening ceremony, inauguration ceremony, we need such type of invitation. So dear student, after writing all this, you will put it inside a box. Don't forget to put the invitation inside a box. Yes, put the invitation inside the box. Yes, mention all the particulars one by one. First of all, you write the name of the host, then you will adopt the standard expression, then you will mention the name of the occasion, that don't forget to mention the date, time and venue, and then the mentioning of the chief guest must be there, and RSVP, the name of the host. And in such kind of invitation, the name of the invitee is not mentioned, it is there on the envelope. So dear students, this was how to write a printed invitation. It is of 3 marks, 1 mark reserved for contents, 1 mark for grammatical accuracy, and the 1 mark reserved for format. So I hope that you have grasped my idea about invitation writing. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Thanks.